Alright, good evening everybody. Just finished work and made my way over to my permission where I was last week. Farmers called to say that although I got quite a few last time, there's still loads to go at, so if I could come a bit more regularly it'd be much appreciated. And as most of you know, especially you lads in the UK here with me, it's not easy to get permission, so keeping the farmer happy is paramount really, because I'll soon find someone else to give it to. So I've come down again, only again for a few hours, but sometimes that's enough just to rack a few numbers up, scare them off a bit and keep the farmer happy. So yeah, I'm here. I've got my M3 Impact, got my Eaglevision and GoPro Hero 7, Element Titan, that's the 3-18 by 50 first focal plane. Got a Donny Ronin to keep things nice and quiet, and it does just that. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant mod. Going down from there, got a Saber Tactical TRS Rail, Saber Tactical Ambidextrous, should I say, cheek piece. A lovely adjustable buttstock to fit in the shoulder. I like to have mine with just a little bend in it just to sit snug. I've got a monopod for any adjustable shots when I'm on the bipod. Saber Tactical Arca Rail with a lovely Accutac bipod. Most of my shootings tonight, to be fair, is going to be propped up on fences and any bits of farm machinery that I can get comfy on. But this still works well. You can open one leg, lean it up, you can use two for a base. It just works. I'll leave that on there. That way, if needs be, if I do need to get on the ground for anything, it's there as well. Everything else is bog standard. I've got no power kits or anything in this gun. I'm just running JSB Mark IIs on this hunt. I'm shooting them at 920 feet per second. Now, my tune is as follows. Swing this round so you can see it. If you can see it. I'm on 16, 4.2 and just over 4 on the valve. My regulator pressure is 115. And as I say, 920 feet per second, and it's working lovely. Hopefully some footage tonight will show you that. But yeah, that's the kit, that's my setup. I want to get myself tucked away now and try and sneak in on a couple of birds. I can hear them, they've probably seen me by now, but I'm going to stick a jumper on, get the hood up, and hopefully get a few for you. Any questions on this video or how I do my tuning or anything anyone wants to know, just ask and I'll hopefully get back to you with any questions and answers for you. What a lovely shot. It's 104 metres. Well, just snuck into this little hidey hole in some trees, and that's two down in quick succession, one at 80 metres and one at 105, just allowing some right to left for the wind. It might come up as left to right on the old GoPro with it being reversed, but yeah, it's working really well. Guns on song, crows are landing in the city tree just around the paddock here, so they've all gone whappy from those first two, but they'll be back. I'm just resting up on this little bit of wood here in between the barbed wire and shooting up on the trees across, so it's a good little resting spot. I'm pretty concealed. They're not stupid though, they know I'm here. but they will come back. They've got the nests there and they're more confident than they used to be when I used to come here often, so I should get a good few days of shooting out of it before they start cottoning on to me. But yeah, 2 down, good start. Hopefully you've got that on camera and you'll see that on the footage. Cheers. Right, got one at 103 here. Take that cant off. Oh, what a lovely shot. I think that was a headshot. Absolutely lovely shot. Oh, the crows know I'm here. They're not stupid at all. Very, very, very wary now. Not like the other night where they just kept coming back. At the minute, they're literally just... Oh, here's one. Here's one. Well, that took a while, but that was a lovely shot. Just landed in my 70-metre tree. I was already dialed 1 MRAD for it. So it was just a matter of getting the wind right. I've got one more in there right now. So I'll keep you on here for this one. 1 MRAD. Ah, just double loaded. 1 MRAD, wood pigeon this one. Down you get. Lovely, straight down. Well, that's it from me today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the few shots that I did get. The JSB Mark IIs really are working well. The wind calls are a lot harder to predict, especially after being shooting slugs for so long, but it's also very rewarding and enjoyable. Farm will be happy with this little mixed bag we've got down here. Certainly got a lot quieter since I've arrived anyway. But yeah, guns performed faultlessly as always. All my kit's bang on, brilliant setup and thoroughly enjoyed. Thanks again for watching. If you can like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, Air Rifle Hunter 87, that'd be much appreciated, and also on Instagram, Air Rifle Hunter 87 also. But yeah, thanks again everyone, really enjoyed it and thanks for tuning in.